Simple maintenance checks that prevent big repairs. Neglect today can cost you tomorrow. Here are 3 quick home maintenance checks that prevent big, expensive repairs. Inspect your roof. Look for loose shingles, debris, or small leaks before storms do real damage. Clean your gutters. Blocked gutters can lead to water damage and foundation issues. Test your outlets and switches. Flickering lights or warm outlets can mean electrical trouble. Regular maintenance keeps your home safe, efficient, and looking great year-round. At Homecraft Design, we help homeowners across Tampa, St. Pete, and Sarasota stay ahead of costly repairs with expert care and trusted craftsmanship.